Hi, this is Stacy with craftaholicmama.blogspot.com, and today I wanted to show you the new Art Impressions stamp sets that Hampton Arts has released over at Michaels. I had gotten an email from Art Impressions. I subscribed to their newsletter or their blog or whichever, and I love their stamps, especially the Girlfriends and the Golden Oldies. And they were releasing 5 new sets, and they were strictly to Michaels. So I made a trip to my nearest Michaels, and I found one of each. They literally only had one of each out on the shelf, and I don't know if that's all they had left or if that's all they put out at one time. I'm not sure. So I did grab them all. They retailed for $9.99. At the time, they had a coupon special that if you spent $25, you got $5 off. If you spent $50, you got $10 off. So I purchased all 5 for $50 and got the $10 off. And I just wanted to go over and show you what they look like. They are, the only thing that I was kind of bummed out about is that they are not photopolymer. They are the cheap acrylic. The acrylic that doesn't stamp the greatest unless you kind of prep the stamp a little bit and choose the right ink. But I can still make them work. They are definitely well worth it. So this one is called, does it have a name on the back? I'm not seeing where there's a name. I'm not seeing where there's a name. So this one is, I cannot remember the names of each of these ladies. They all have a name. They are 4x6 sets. So this is one of them. This is the other one. I'm so excited I wet my plants is what it says. Cute. Howdy ho. A little dirt don't hurt. Totally cute. It's not the years, it's the mileage. There's something behind this. There's something behind that age. I can't see what it is. Let's just look quick. The sky's the limit. That stamp says, still young at heart, slightly older everywhere else. Retired, home is where you park it, let's get hitched. There's a little dog. Cute. And then this one's like a cat lady one. Cat hair is just part of the decor in my house. You are perfect. OCD, obsessive cat disorder. You've cat to be kidding me, right? And then there's another one behind that each sticker. So let's see if we can see what that one is. Crazy cat lady. So super cute. I love them. I have quite a few of Art Impression stamps. I just love their designs. So go check out your local Michaels and get yourself a set of these. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.